और साहबजादी शायान सलमान इकबाल और सिविल सलमान इकबाल से अगर मैं रिक्वेस्ट कर सकूं कि प्लीज स्टेज पर आए ताकि सेरेमनी ओपनिंग हो जाए बाकायदा और एक ओपनिंग स्पीच हो जाए. प्लीज पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर शायान एंड सिविल.
It's always been part of my family. It's been something that has been a vision, a legacy, and something that is part of a million people's homes. Since I was a little kid, every day I would hear AOY this, AOY that, and every time I reflect back on it, I see how much we've grown and how much we've changed. I remember those sleepless nights my dad used to have in London trying to make this company where it is today, and not just him, but every single person standing here in this room who has shown and grown AOY to this extent and built something extraordinary from the ground up. What makes this milestone so special to me is that it's not just a journey of one man, but it's a journey of every single person in this room who's put in so much effort to make what we are today. It's the journey of the teams behind the cameras, the creators who dare to dream, the people who believe in this vision, and of course everyone who watches at home. Papa, I've seen firsthand the sacrifices you made, the passion you put into this company, the love you give, and you show me that success is not just building something big, but building something that lasts, something that touches people's hearts.